Today I'm unboxing the Kamrette Mina backpack. This is probably going to be my bag for sessions, not weddings. I'll use my Ivana bag until the day it breaks because I love that bag. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. Opened it upside down. There's a little thank you note. Okay, so oh my god, I love it. Look how cute it is. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let's go ahead and open it. I don't know how well you can see that. Hopefully you can see it really well. So there's probably room for an iPad. It fits an iPad perfectly. Hope you can see that. Has a little zipper. Probably stick like lens caps and that. And then down here you have plenty of room. Plenty of room. You could put a flash, probably a full camera body and 2 lenses. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this unboxing. Highly recommend. This was about $169. Highly recommend. 100% worth the money. So good. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.